In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing pages for affiliate marketing. We'll break it down step by step, ensuring you have all the guidance you need to create effective and compelling landing pages. To start, you'll want to pick a page builder or platform that suits your needs. It's all about finding something easy to use, particularly for affiliate marketing. GetResponse is a perfect example of an affiliate-friendly platform where you can build and host your landing pages with ease. Once you've decided on a platform, go ahead and head over to GetResponse. Upon reaching GetResponse, navigate to your dashboard and look for the option to create a landing page. This platform is designed to streamline the process, so creating a landing page will be straightforward. Once you click on this option, you'll likely see the choice to use a ready-made template. This is ideal for beginners or those who want a bit of inspiration. Templates come in two main varieties: pre-designed templates, which offer a more structured design, or blank templates for those who prefer to start from scratch. For this tutorial, let's focus on using a pre-designed template to get you started quickly and effectively. As you browse through the available templates, take your time to find one that matches your brand's identity and the message you want to convey. When you've found a template you resonate with, click on Use Template to begin customizing it to fit your marketing campaign. Next up is structuring your landing page. A well-structured page captures attention and effectively communicates your key message. Start with your hero section, which is essentially the first impression your visitors will get. It should have an eye-catching headline paired with benefit-driven subtext. An example could be, save 50% on AI writing tools you'll actually use. This not only grabs attention, but also immediately conveys value. Once your headline is in place, adjust the text settings to ensure readability and alignment with your brand's aesthetic. Now we move on to the call to action, or CTA. Your CTA is critical because it drives the conversion action, whether it's signing up, purchasing, or trying out a product. Be clear and compelling. For instance, a simple "try free for 7 days" can be highly effective. With your CTA in place, the next move is the proper placement of your affiliate links. Carefully paste your affiliate link in the designated area to ensure it functions correctly and keeps track of your referrals. Finally, once everything is set and looks polished, it's time to publish your landing page. Don't forget promoting it across your channels for optimal reach and effectiveness. A well-promoted landing page can significantly boost your affiliate marketing efforts, and that wraps up how to create landing pages for affiliate marketing. With this guide, you should feel confident to create impactful landing pages that not only attract, but also convert. Thanks for joining me today, and happy marketing!